Hello everyone. This song is dedicated to the most beautiful blessing in my life, my wife, Rosalinda. Mahal, before I met you, I prayed for a love that would stay, a love that would heal, and a love that would lead me closer to God. And then He gave me you. This is our story, our promise, and our forever. Nung dumating ka sa buhay ko, parang langit ang bumukas sa puso ko. Every lonely night became a morning light, dahil ikaw ang sagot sa bawat prayer ko. Hindi man madali ang ating daan, distance can never change this heart I have. Sa bawat luha at bawat ngiti, God was writing our destiny. Kahit malayo ramdam kita, sa bawat tibok ng puso ko, ikaw ang kasama. This is a love written by God, a promise no one can erase. Ikaw ang himala sa buhay ko, my forever, my saving grace. Sa Kanya nagsimula ang ating pag-ibig, at sa Kanya rin ito mananatili. Rosalinda, ikaw ang aking habang buhay, a love written by God, you and I. Every call, every message we share feels like heaven answering my prayer. Kapag pagod na ang mundo sa paligid, ikaw ang tahanan na aking pipiliin. Holding on kahit may pagitan, because faith is stronger than distance. Hand in hand, one heart, one soul. With God, we'll never walk alone. Kung dumating man ang bagyo, hindi kita bibitawan. God is the author of this love, at Siya ang ating sandigan. I'll choose you every single day. Sa hirap at ginhawa, I will stay hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Ikaw pa rin ang aking awitin. This is a love written by God, a story heaven made. Ikaw ang pangarap na natupad, the blessing I've always prayed. Sa Kanya nagsimula ang ating pag-ibig, at sa Kanya rin ito mananatili. Rosalinda, mahal na mahal kita, forever and always ikaw lang ang sinta. Mahal kong Rosalinda, Kung may isang pag-ibig na ipaglalaban ko habang buhay, ikaw yun. Because our love was written, my God, and I will love you for a lifetime.